neighborhood boutique spa located in downtown Lafayette, voted the best spa in the East Bay by viewers of the Cron 4 channel. We are the only establishment in the East Bay to offer our signature treatment, the Vichy Shower, a restorative French hydrotherapy treatment. Along with exceptional and individualized customer service, our desire to reduce the amount of synthetic chemicals in our lives made us simplify the variety of products we offer. Our products are all natural, without any parabens, phthalates, or endocrine disruptors. They are handcrafted in-house, and our aromatherapy uses fragrances from only the highest quality natural essential oils, not synthetic fragrances. Visit us at SageStudiosSpa.com and check out our Yelp reviews. We love to serve and pamper our clients. Please call 925-695-9772 now to book an appointment.